Hello friends, it's my pleasure to be your HiKlas software trainer today. Open your PC as an admin, and then locate the HiKlas setup icon to proceed for installation. Run the program as shown here. Enter the hotel name. The H icon will automatically be installed on your desktop. The first time, right-click on the icon and set it up as shown. Close the screen and click on the icon again. Choose language and the database storage drive, preferably in D drive. No login ID for the first opening. Go to Settings and choose the encoder. Encoder driver is not required. Next, go to Base Settings and click on Create Building. The space cannot be left blank. Even if there is only one building, name it. Create room types, such as deluxe room, suites, luxury rooms, etc. Now you are ready to create the rooms. To do so, you should know, in the beginning from the hotel owner, how many rooms, types and number of floor are there. How many rooms in a floor and all such details. Please keep the room numbers handy and pay attention to the video as to how the room numbers are given. The hashtag should remain and you have to delete the unwanted zeros to display your room number properly. As you can see in the demo, there is no need to create one room at a time. If you know the number of rooms in a floor, you can create at one click. Please check to see all rooms are created. Next, right-click on the room number or choose a couple of rooms, and assign what type of rooms they are. In some hotels, they will not have desire to have room number 13. In such cases, you can delete the room number after bulk creation too. You can view all the rooms on the opening screen. You can view floor-wise by clicking on the floor on the left side on your screen. Once the room setting is over, we will have to create the groups, including the master, the manager, housekeeping, etc. You can give the names or number as you please for the staff. In the same way, you can add the manager, housekeeping, or casual staffs. We will now have to create the computer operators group and give them the rights and their limits. You can back up the database anytime as shown. Backup can be done once every month. Assigns the rights and limits as per designation. Check or uncheck the box against the subject to enable or disable for the chosen category of staff. Now close the application and re-log in as the front office manager. Here you will notice the front office manager is not given access to settings, doors, staff, operators and data. He or she will be able to do only the jobs they are supposed to do, like check in and check out guests. Re-log in as admin and click on Doors and scroll down for more options. If the hotel has common door like the GYM or the swimming pool, which is restricted only for the guests to use, do the setting as in the video. Please use the start room number, which is not given to any of the room numbers of the hotel. It should be different. Choose all the rooms of the hotel. Use room count as 1 if there is one common door, or 2 if there are 2, and so on. You can change the room name template to gym or bar or anything you want. If there are inner rooms with a common door, for example, in a suite there may be one door for the lobby and 3 inner bedrooms, you can create it this way for the card to open the main door and one of the bedrooms. You will notice the suite 103 door color changes to dark blue. It will be easy to identify the suite by the color. Start with setting up a unique ID for the hotel. The unique ID has to be maintained by the dealer and kept on records against the hotel name. This ID separates one hotel from another and is of high security for the hotel. This system ID should not be forgotten, otherwise you will have to reinstall the complete system, including programming the locks from the beginning. Next, click on Doors icon, go to System Setting and choose System ID card. The encoder should be connected to the PCB through USB. Place a MyFair 1K card on the encoder and press the Enter key on your computer. There will be a beep and you have got the System ID card. Next, click on Maintenance Card as per the room number and make the card on encoder. This is also the configuration card. It can set the room number on the lock and also set the time. So the card has to be shown to lock as soon as it is made to configure the correct time. In the same way, you can issue a guest card with the number of days validity. Now take the System ID card and the configuration card to show near the sensor of the unlock, get programmed with door number and the computer's date and time. Then if you show a guest card, the door will open. It will open till the validity of the number of days stay in the room. You can also check out the guest if you want to check out earlier, like this. You can set the room as not cleaned or clean, which will be visible on the opening screen. You can check any card for information by placing on the encoder and click on Check Card. To reuse a card which has data, you can clear the card first like this. On the main screen, you can check all rooms, clean vacant rooms, not cleaned rooms, occupied rooms, etc. by clicking on the icons on the top. We have come to the end of the training. HiKlas V3.0 is a very easy software to use. If you have any more doubts, please let us know in the comments below the video, and we will be glad to make another video to clarify your doubts.